Hi everyone. So the first technology I will be talking about is the smartboard. This is a device that I've used in my classroom multiple times. Many of you may know it's this the interactive whiteboard. There's many things that you can do on there. Students can post their work, you can demonstrate work on there, you can write notes, create lesson plans. But my favorite part of the device is the interactive activities and games that you can create on it, which is perfect for ending lessons or unit plans where you want to test students' knowledge or just have fun in the classroom. In the background here, I have an example of one of the interactive activities they have that you can use on there, which is a sorting activity. Of course, this one is around math where you sort the angles by pictures, but you can also do activities where they sort by words. Another activity that I like to use all the time is the Jeopardy game. You can use this for any content area, math, science, English, whatever it may be, because you make your own categories, your own questions, as well as the answers. You can do this in teams in the classroom, or you can do it individually. Students really love to do this, which is also a great way to end a unit to test students' knowledge. The other way I've used the, I haven't used it myself, is using the Smartboard response remotes. I've done it before in my high school classroom. My math teacher used to use it during New York State testing time. He would give us a bunch of questions that we can answer, and it's nice because when you put in your answers, they show up on the board and it tells you the percentage of who got it right and who got it wrong. And we would go over the answers, and this would lead as a review for what we needed to do to get better in certain content areas regarding the math. So he used this as a great tool, and we loved it because it was fun. It was right there. We can go over the answers. He could see what percentage of the people answered, who didn't answer, and what we needed to go over to get better at that certain subject in that whatever we were learning at that moment. Another technology I have used is the Starfall website. I used this in my first grade class when I was student teaching there. The teacher that I was paired with, she used centers in her classroom. So one of the centers was the computer center. And she had a couple different websites that the children can visit during that time. But my favorite was the Starfall one. On here they have both math and ELA. They have reading activities. So I'm going to go to the first grade math because that's what I did when I used this program. And for the math, I'll check out one of the math games, which is around telling time. So they have different questions that come up, and you can answer, and at the top here, it'll tell you if you got it wrong or right. I don't know why it's not working. But yeah, I'll continue on and go to a reading section of the website. I'll click on fiction. And we learn about, since it's fall, learn about pumpkin. So on here, let me move this over. You can start with the title. It'll read for you. You go through, you can read it yourself, or you can listen to the audio of the story. You have music on here as well. You can do different songs. And this is for the students' personal use. They use this during the center time. It's not for the whole class. It's when you want to do individual, or just so they're on the computer and they're using safe websites that they can learn from, instead of playing different video games on the computer. Yeah, that's all.